Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another modification video. This is one of like 6 things we're doing this month. If you guys are new to the channel, want to see more stuff that we're doing to this car that we are absolutely flying through this early spring and summer, hit subscribe. We're almost at 20,000 subscribers, so that would make my day. Seriously, hit the like button for the algorithm, but let's get into it. Today, we're lowering the car. Video number 2 in a row, I am absolutely suited up. Car's getting lowered today, so if you guys watched the last video, wheels went on the car, tires went on the car. The H&R lowering springs are today's activity. I think Evan or Rory is actually gonna pick up my car today while I'm at work, take it to the shop, start the deconstruction, getting everything out. It is a pretty intensive labor process for lowering springs. So getting started on that ASAP, and then I'll join them after my work to get everything filmed, taken care of, and then we'll see what this car is finally gonna sit like with the proper fitment. If you guys didn't watch the last video, I recommend you go watch that one before this one. It's gonna kind of like set up exactly what we're doing as far as the new wheel setup. You got the Rohana RFX 11s, 19 by 9.5 with a positive 30 offset. So the fitment is going to be absolutely perfect. I did my research beforehand and I wanted to make sure that we weren't gonna have spacers or anything like that. Ultimately wanted that to really just be perfect the first time around. I learned my lesson with the S5, didn't want spacers this time, so got an inch wider wheels, which makes the fitment just perfect, but it's not perfect yet. Once we get this thing lowered, it's gonna look so good. Gonna get some awesome pictures and videos. So that's on the agenda today. Let's get to the shop. Let's just fast forward. It's Friday. It's like a beautiful day outside. I think it's gonna get up to 80 again today and then back to snow on Monday. I have 8 hours of work ahead of me, but let's just fast forward to after that for the sake of the video. Let's get these springs on. And just like that, we're done with the workday. Evan came to my work, picked up the S4. So let's go check on the progress.
All right, we're doing a little M22 shop vlog takeover. We got KevG's S4 here. We're doing some H&R lowering springs. Rory's gonna be installing them here. We did the wheels and tires yesterday. Most important thing to do when picking out wheels and tires is making sure your fitment's good. That's what we're doing here. Rory's getting started, doing some H&R sport springs for him. These are made in Germany. Really nice product. These are going on Kev's S4. Rory's doing them on his S4. They're on my S5. They were on my A6. They were on Kev's S5. We've done them on some Porsches, so really great product.
Holy light aluminum, feel that.
Wow, that is why 034 makes a strut brace upgrade. This is
terrible. That's
pretty much useless.
I could bend it by hitting it.
Yeah, there's an 034 upgrade for those. I don't know if Kev's planning on doing it, but he probably should. All right, what are you doing, Rory?
I am removing the top strap mount bolts. Well, I'm loosening them. I'm not removing them. And I really don't want to take these off, but I think I have to. So.
Like I said, made in Germany, so these are awesome for Porsches, Audis. They do a great job stiffening up the car a bit better handling without sacrificing that OEM ride comfort. So these are one of our favorite products.
Got the whole crew getting hands on today. It's after hours. Oh, this one's already on?
Don't do this at home because this is what happens.
What happened?
Oh,
it's cracked.
It's a chrome.
Wait,
Don't ever do this at home.
what do you mean?
Don't put a chrome on an impact.
Because it cracks? Oh no.
But that's what lifetime warranties are for.
There you go.
Lose your impact sockets.
Front is done. Time to do the rears.
We also just got word, Troy bought a supercharged R8. I'm gonna show you a picture on the screen right now because it is gorgeous. He also bought the car with Rohanas on it. So it has RFX, sorry.
3 Rohana cars at least on the route.
RFX 2s in red. All right, Rory, you may continue, thank you. What do we have here?
That's a spring.
Is that the last one?
Second to last one.
I dig it. Sometimes you like to skip through the fun part of Rory wrenching and doing all the hard stuff, but I already gave Homeboy a shout out on the Instagram. Go follow him if you haven't.
Who?
You, dude.
Oh.
I said this Sunday's episode is brought to you by Mr. Rory. Look at this dude's hands and tell me he doesn't deserve a shout out. Temperatures cooled off a little bit this evening, but we've got cool lighting for the GT3 Touring, the S5, and plethora of vehicles here in the parking lot. The S4 is going to be a couple of videos from now. Downpipes are going in Monday, so we have a few videos already like pre-planned. So the S4 wheels, S4 lowering, and then next. So if you're watching this video now, next video is literally going to be the downpipes on the B8.5 S4. So I know a lot of you guys came to my channel from the B8.5 S5, same exact platform. This thing is going to be nuts, and obviously with the blue, I got a soft spot for the blue B8.5. It has the color matched mirror caps in the black out, so it has the black optics package, which means front end black. This is not chrome, and then all the trim pieces black as well. Looks really good, and honestly, no tint on this car. Looks pretty nice because if you go inside, you see the white interior, which is a really rare spec for this car. Really cool car. This one belongs to Rory, who's doing all the work on the B9 S4 right now. So fun projects coming up, ladies and gents. Don't want to miss them. Go ahead, hit subscribe. Literally so busy right now. It's awesome that we're able to like stay this focused on these cool mods and like the builds. I don't know, we're lucky here. So stick around, join the community, join the family. Let's keep doing cool stuff together. Myself doing the easy part.
We're moments
Film
away.
this guy. He is the one who made all this possible. Mr. Rory.
Come check us out.
Evan, why don't you flip that camera around? Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Provided the shop and experience to put these things on. Direct reference, by the way, referral for the Rohanas. Evan said these things would look amazing, and I was looking, again, between gloss black and then these. Ultimately, I think we made the right choice, and I can't wait to see these things on the ground. I don't know why I can't thread this.
Yeah, we supplied the Rohanas, the finish, brushed titanium with the black center cap accents. Rory with the spring install. You're at M22, moments away from seeing the final product.
Oh. 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 Whoa. Boys. Oh my God.
Look where my car is.
Yeah. Well, do you remember what it was yesterday?
Yeah.
Monster truck?
Yeah.
Like these will be
They'll drop
even
it.
closer.
That's exactly what the S5 looks like. And then
A few weeks
3
later,
weeks
slammed.
later, it was disgusting.
Yeah.
Plus, look at it right now. It's on the ground. And look how low it is. Like, that's going to be the ride height.
Damn.
Holy moly. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, it looks good. And look at, again, we saw it the other day with the last video, but look at that offset. Ooh, that is perfect.
If you had bags, dude, this
It would literally
lip
sit
would
right
be
there.
right outside your phone, literally sitting on.
What do you guys think? Should I become a Stancy boy?
Well, you don't track it, so I don't see why not.
Except for honestly,
The whole money thing.
The whole $3,000 bags and making Rory install it.
hey, you know what I get a discount on?
What?
Airlift.
Don't tell me that, dude. Yeah, we'll let this settle, do a couple laps around the parking lot, make sure everything's good, but that before and after, even before settling, is nice. These are brand new stiff springs. The OEM ones are 4 years old. Get that Fitment, dude! Oh my goodness gracious. All right, ladies and gents, it's been exactly 1 week since we did the install of the lowering springs. They've settled a little bit here, and this is gonna be what our final fitment is. So fitment in the front is looking amazing. Fitment in the rear, also amazing. I'll make sure to get both sides. The fitment is literally perfect. So absolutely no complaints. Super happy with the H&R Sport lowering springs. Can barely get a finger in there. No rubbing with this setup. Everything is perfect, which I knew it would be. So super happy with the install. Super happy with how this thing looks. Oh my goodness. Like, look at that. I want to take some pictures. This thing's finally clean. I washed it yesterday, so whew, that looks good. But that will wrap up the video on the H&R Sport lowering springs. If you guys are new to the channel, we're doing so many modifications on not only this car, but let's see, the S5, the other S4, just so much stuff happening. And then we have Rally in like 26 days, I think. If you guys are new, hit subscribe, like the video for the algorithm. Until next time, ladies and gents, we'll see ya.